this video, I'm going to talk about the 15 Amazon products that will change your life. I'm going to share the list with you so that you can be up to date on the best products to sell in 2020. This is going to be a good one, so stay tuned. If you are new here, welcome to the strongest family on YouTube, and if you are coming back, then welcome back, family. I am Sania here. In this video, we are going to be talking about 15 Amazon products that will change your life. There are multiple millions of products on Amazon, so it's not easy to take out the best ones, but I researched and found out that these are going to be the amazing products, niches to sell. And remember guys, these product niches have lots of complementary and supplementary categories, like different types of products that you could sell. Real quick, if you want free access to my very latest 5-step guide to start your Amazon FBA journey, then go to saniabillofficial.com. I will also leave the link in the description down below. Please do like this video and comment below about the product you like the most. The point of this video is to show you guys the best Amazon FBA product that I think are going to be very hot this year, and you can get the wheels turning in your brain from a product research perspective. But guys, the point here is that always differentiate yourself and don't copycat. If you just copycat, you will be in the Red Sea of competition. You can compete in any of these niches as long as you have an effective launch strategy with proper listing and PPC optimization. If you do that, then you can create a real winner for sure. So without further delay, let's get started. Guys, I'm not gonna go deep in the statistics and sales of these products. I found these products using just 2 tools, right? The first one is viral launch and like product discovery, and the second tool is the Jungle Scout. So which is the best tool? I don't know. You can find it yourself. And for the YouTube family here, I have placed heavy discount and links for these two in the description down below. So you can go and download any of the tools that works for you. But both of them are very good. If you want me to go deeper on explaining more of the technical factors and research, then do comment below and let me know. I will surely make a video on that. So real quickly guys, before we get into the list, let's talk about what actually make a profitable product a good product to sell on Amazon. The number one thing that you need to be aware of that how many reviews the average product has in that product niche on page 1 of the search results. When you are looking for your own products to sell on Amazon, it is important that they have to be a very low reviews, and not just for a single product, but for the overall category or niche. We also have to see the revenue per month. So these things are very important in order to find a good product. I explained the exact product research criteria in my video here. So this video is not about this. If you want, you can go and watch this video. This video is about the 15 amazing products that will change your life. Amazon has plenty of categories to choose, especially when you are a beginner. So there are some of the categories that you do not want to, you have to stay away from that, and make sure that you don't sell that product in those categories either. It's like too competitive, or it's simply like it's not able, you won't be able to deal with the paperwork required, and some are gated and some are trademarks, and when you're starting out, you need to stay away from this. If you've been thinking about starting an Amazon FBA business, then now is the perfect time, because Amazon is getting bigger and bigger every year with more and more profitable niches and products. The reason why some of these categories are very popular is because you can always modify and sell it as a new product. So you can make your own new product, your own new blue ocean. So the first product is sorting laundry basket. It is mainly durable metal baking finish frame with arch handles, rust proof and sleek. You can use it for heavy or light duty laundry. It's also got high search volume per month with low reviews. Price wise, a very high profit margin product. Next comes silicone oven mitts. They are highest heat resistant oven grill gloves, easy to clean as it is machine washable and made from the highest quality materials that are made to last. So it is useful, like you can use it for the professional chefs can use, or the griller or amateur cook or home. It can use for many different purposes. You can sell an ebook gift with grilling tips and techniques with it to increase the price and value of the product. The third product is brush cleanser. Those of you who do makeup like me understand the value of cleaning the brushes. Yes. Therefore, it is a very hot product in all of these seasons. It is an automatic brush spinner with 8 sizes rubber collars. It washes and dries in seconds. It is high in demand with low reviews. You can sell different variations and can also bundle it. So very good product. Fourth product is cotton reusable grocery bags. A very useful and organic product that is widely used in all houses. It is a highly profitable product as you can bundle it in different colors and sizes. I remember, guys, one of my students was finding a product and I asked him to start looking in the organic area. I didn't hear from him for 2 days. So at last, on third day, I decided to check on him and ask about the product as the deadline to submit the product report was near. Actually, I want my students to be really accountable so that they can stay on track, and I call them and I want them to be accountable. So I called them and asked, and he replied, "Oh, sorry for the delay as I was busy buying all the organic things." I was shocked. I asked, "Why are you doing that?" And he told me that he wants to check every product which best serves his customers and can also be less harmful to nature. And after 10 days, he searched for one organic product related to the kitchen category. I helped him modify it, and the time he listed that product, it made 10x product profit in that. It is one of the best product in his shop. So if you really find a good organic product and think about your customers and how you can serve them, then you can truly succeed no matter what your competition is. And that is what I recommend to you and all of my students, to care more about your customers. Okay, so the product number 5 is self-cleaning hairbrush. This is an amazing product and it got less competition and also a good profit margin product. It's a very good product. It is stainless steel pins for all the coats and especially ideal for dogs. So for all the dog lovers, it's a great product. Product number 6 is bedside storage organizer. This is my favorite product. I even have it in my home. Mostly it is selling for less price, but there are some products which are modified versions with different luxury designs and selling it at high prices. It is very cheap to source from China and can give a good profit margin. Last Mother's Day, I gifted this to my mother, and whenever she meets me, she always tells me how useful that product is. She keeps all her phone, glasses, hand lotion and diary in it. It is truly a useful product that can be a great gift. So you can bundle it too and sell as a gift also. Number 7, we have over the head shower head caddy. Another useful and profitable product. It is widely used in almost all homes. It got built-in hanging hooks and large shelf baskets for shampoo, conditioner, body wash, razors, all of the things. It got high demand with low reviews so that the barrier to entry is very low. On number 8, we have Cedar Fresh Clothes Protector. I use that product also. It is an amazing product to sell in sets as you can bundle it with hangers and other essentials with it. You can always increase the price according to the bundle. It got huge demand on Amazon and with moderate reviews. So it is a easier to rank product on Amazon. If you're ranking on page 1, it's very easy. On the side note, you can buy this also for yourself as it leaves such a nice smell in your wardrobe. Yes. On number 9, we have hanging delicates dryer. Number 10, we have armchair table. And number 11, we have warming butter knife. I love this product. I saw this product in my friend's house and I liked it so much. When I came home, I researched on Amazon and did some research and how it will be. And it was such a profitable product. It got less competition with good profit margin with less reviews. So guys, the moral is that keep your eyes open whenever you see some product in everyday life, and just take note and check on Amazon. You never know when you hit a jackpot and stumble upon an amazing product. The best way to do the product research is this way, guys. You have to look around for everyday products. If you are enjoying this video, then do subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below which product is your favorite so far. Yes, so now let's go to our number 12 product, which is silicone bottle cleaning brush. It is a highly searchable product in the baby category, and again a very profitable product, and it is cheap to source from China. You can sell in different sizes and colors. Number 13, it's cooling towel. It is a microfiber towel, fast drying, super absorbent, and can be used for sports, workouts, travel, like anything. You can sell it in packs or individual. Also, it varies different sizes and colors. Very easy product to sell and make profit. Guys, on number 14, we have shower foot rest cap, and on number 15, it's Japanese pull saw. Most people call them European saws, which cut materials while pushing them. It is used for woodworking mostly. It got less reviews, which makes it easy to rank products. You can reach like page 1 very easily by using the right launch strategy. Yes, very important. Guys, these are the 15 products that you will see, and it can change your life. Lots of niches can be saturated, but what you have to do is creating a USP yourself by sub-niching down and researching negative reviews and modifying the products to make it killer. The riches are in the niches, and the more you can niche down, the better. Read all the negative reviews on the top competitive products, then contact the manufacturer and make amendments to the product. Guys, these are the best stuff to sell on Amazon that I just talked about, but don't directly copy these. And if you are going, then like most of the thousands of the people are also watching this, so they will also do that. So why are you different? You need to be different. The point is that I want to show you successful products on Amazon. It's not for you to directly copy these. Look at the complementary products or use your own creativity and use your own experience to find products similar to this that aren't exactly the same. So you can modify and make it a really unique product. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and also hit the notification bell so that you will be the first person to be notified when I release a brand new Amazon FBA business video. Don't forget to watch my next video, and